off now. I gotta go to work.
No, what do you mean you gotta shoot up? You ain't going. No. You got 5 minutes.
I fucking got work tomorrow. I got a family to feed.
No, hold on, Northside. Fuad. You know what? It's fine. You can leave if you just answer my question. Why?
You're irrelevant to me. I don't speak to Chelsea. They're shit. Liverpool, on the other hand, I respect.
You know what? No, it's fine. No, I'm irrelevant. That's fine. That's fine.
I've seen Liverpool.
Lex, I beg you. Can you ask him my question?
You guys are irrelevant. I don't reach.
Lex, I beg you, don't let him run off like that. Don't let him.
Lex.
I don't rate. Lex, I respect Liverpool.
Can you ask him?
I even tipped you for the league last year.
Yo, at this point, it don't even matter if you respect Liverpool or not. The fact that you're shitting on Chelsea the way you are is kind of joking. It's kind of joking. Yeah, but I mean, you can have a personal opinion, but at the same time, you have to be realistic with the facts, innit? Where's your European trophy, blood? Do you have one?
I don't want one.
Do you have one? You don't even have a Europa League.
Don't pay my bills.
Why do you talk? What bills? Nothing here that we're talking about pays your bills.
That's why I'm going back to sleep.
Yeah, it's a debate. And you're losing, so you're running away.
Bro,
that is what is happening here. I have to wake up too. I got 4 motherfuckers out here that I have to feed, innit?
You just come on here. You just come on here, mate.
Yeah, and
I've been here for 3 hours.
Yeah, but the whole point is you want to go to sleep, innit?
Bro, I've been here for 2.5 hours, bro. I'm not going to listen to your monologue. See you later. I'm out. Simple as, bro.
Yeah, run.
This is what these Arsenal fans do.
Hey, listen, these are the you see, these are the whole premise of the Arsenal team. Just like your manager, you're a coward, blood. Just like your manager, you're a coward because you're running. It's fine. Listen, I understand, Ford. You have responsibilities. It's okay. You can leave. I won't take any offense to it. We'll just move on and talk about something else.
If you would have come 2 hours ago, I would listen to you. But I'm tired. I got work.
I've been here for 2 hours. You answered my question. I've been here 2 hours. You answered my question.
I will never answer. I will never.
Yes, you know why you can't answer my question? You know why? Because you do not truly believe in Arteta. You're just stubborn. You don't believe in him. You're stubborn.
Wait. So Ford, you believe in Arteta?
No, Lex. He doesn't because he can't answer my question.
Hold on. You believe in Arteta, Ford?
He doesn't believe.
Believes a big word, isn't it?
Can you spell believe?
He's only a football manager, bro.
Hey, brother. Yo, listen. Why you deflected, blood?
No, because when you say I believe in something, I don't know the person that believe in.
All right. What is your opinion on Arteta?
He's a good manager, and you got to get it right. That's it.
What makes him a good manager?
I don't believe in Arteta like I believe. That's deeper, bro.
All right. Would you agree with me? Would you agree with me that if Chelsea are shit, Arteta is even bigger shit?
Chelsea is shit. Do you know what? I'll give you that. Chelsea is shit. Arteta is slightly getting it.
He has to be shit.
He has to be
shit. I don't care. He has to be shit because you're talking about a club with Prems, Champs, Europa League, all of that, and their shit. Arteta has none of that. So what is he?
But it's his first ever managerial job, isn't
it? 6 years, brother. 6 years.
But it's his first ever job. So
yeah, brother, my first year of marriage, my breed, my wife.
Even worse for Arsenal.
What takes Arteta so long? Why even take so long? What is this? We're waiting until we have enough money to have a child. Is that what's going on?
No. I will give Arteta to the end of the season, and I'll make. And then if he don't win nothing, his time's up. He's had all the tools.
Will you change your tone at the end of the season?
Listen, you come. If we don't win the league, I will come on here and
you're not winning the league.
If we don't win the league, okay, listen.
It's not happening.
Northside, I'll text you the date. The moment they think get this brother out, then you'll see a different opinion. What else more do you want to ask for?
That's
okay. No, you know what? I'll say this then, right? Northside, what was he saying last season?
That was going to win the league.
And if you don't win the league, what did he say last season?
Injuries. Don't forget injuries. Injuries.
And at the end of the season, he went missing. I didn't see him. I didn't see him until this season. Do you know what I'm saying? To the start of this year, the whole summer, the end of last season, the whole summer, I didn't see Forward. Didn't see him. Asked him to jump on. He kept telling me he's busy.
This guy, listen. This guy, right? He's full of crap, bro.
You people that back Arteta, it's fine. Keep backing him, but like, you're cowards. Like Arteta, you guys are cowards. You're going to deflect to Chelsea because I'm a Chelsea fan. You're going to say I'm Chelsea. My charges. I have no history. For a club that has no history, how have we been able to outstrip you? How do we have two champions?
Guys have no irrelevant to me.
My history is irrelevant.
It don't bother me what you do.
Yes, if I'm irrelevant, what makes you?
No, I'm an Arsenal fan. It don't bother me what you do. You could come with billions of it don't bother me. You don't understand. I'm an Arsenal fan.
I don't need billions of Champions League. I need two. I only have two.
But I don't care what you do. You're missing the point, bro. You could come with your monologue all day. I'm not interested. What part do you understand?
I've asked you a question you've not answered.
I've answered. I don't care what you said. My answer is Chelsea is shit, and I don't care. There's my answer.
Yeah, but Chelsea is shit, and what's Arsenal?
Amazing.
You're amazing, scintillating. Yeah,
that's my football team.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, cool. But are you going to win a trophy with being phenomenal and scintillating?
We're going to win everything.
Are you? Cool.
I'm an Arsenal fan. I got to believe in I got to support the team.
I think this guy's been fatigued being here for 3 hours.
I think he's fatigued. Listen, Forward, if you got to go, do what you got to do. I know you're a family, man.
Yeah, man. Forward tired, man. You're tired, man.
I want him to answer my question.
Yo, Northside, I said to you, I'd never, ever, the latest I stay up till is 10 o'clock. I swear to God.
I know, but you chat shit before 10 as well.
Don't swear to God.
He sounds like a girl. Actually, oh my God, I need to go to bed before 10. I don't streams after.
Don't swear to God.
Here comes fucking Johnny Bravo now. Listen, mate.
What is the latest you're going to back Arteta? What will be the latest?
That's the same shit before 10 anyway. So what's the difference? Why
who's Johnny Bravo?
10, like?
From a cartoon.
No, I know Johnny Bravo, the cartoon. I'm like, who is he calling Johnny Bravo?
Lee, he's calling Lee.
Because he has to resort to insults because he's got no answer legs. You know what I'm saying? So they have to insult, man. You know what I'm saying?
It's not
even the air fried since he's got it.
It's not even good.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave everyone this note. I learned 5 things today. That's my best show.
5 things we've learned, from the Fuad press conference. Yeah, he never answers a direct question, number 1. Number 2, if Arteta leaves the club, he wants 8 out of the 10 managers he named as serial winners. Number 3, he don't care about Chelsea, but he does care about Chelsea. Number 4, he never answers a question directly. Number 5, answer 5. What's number 5?
If he plays 3 DMs against Newcastle, he wants him out.
Thank you.
Brother, listen.
Hold on.
No, brother, he is going to play 3 DMs.
No.
I know. And exactly, man.
We all fucking know.
And you're going to see him flip-flop and say they didn't say it. But guess what? I'm making it
for 2 hours.
Forward. If you had money, would you bet money on Arsenal?
I've been here 2 hours.
Would you bet money on Arsenal?
I've been saying,
boys, whoa. Let's have some parliamentary procedure. Let the brothers speak. What's wrong with you guys? Go on, bro. Look at you all, man.
It is a joke.
I've been asking you for 2 hours. Why do you still back Arteta?
I am not interested in your 2 hours.
Just to sack him if he plays 3 DMs against Newcastle. So you have no shame.
Hold on.
You can't even back them,
bro.
Would you bet money
my fan base is fucking infested with losers, bro.
Would you bet any money on Arsenal winning any trophies this year?
Yeah. I got us winning the league.
Well, that's haram, right? That's haram, bro.
I don't bet. I've never bet.
No, that's not
but they said, would you bet money? You said, yeah. So
no, I won't bet money. I don't bet money.
You said earlier on the stream.
Lee, you don't have to cook him for everything, man. Just leave something, make some like we're focused on the Arsenal.
You have to fucking stand on their neck, bro. Pause, yeah, every time, yeah, because these man
why
waffle and then they bamboozle you with that waffle, Lex, yeah, and then when you get half the shit they've ever said, you have to cut them off at source.
I'm an 1978 solid mentality Arsenal fan, bro.
You're a flip-flop. You're a flip-flop. Yeah. You said earlier Liverpool win the league because I asked you who's winning the league. You said Liverpool. Now you said you bet Arsenal win the league. You're a flip-flop. You're a fraud.
But Liverpool are mostly favourites to win the league.
Yeah, you said they're going to win the league. No, I asked you who's winning the league. You said Liverpool. Yeah, and now you bet Arsenal win the league. You're a fraud.
I'm going to back my team all the way.
But you didn't back your team when I asked the question. I
don't have to answer your question.
No, you did answer my question. You answered my question and you didn't back your team. You answered it. You didn't back your team.
Do you know why I answer Lee and I answer Northside and I answer whoever supports Arsenal? I'm never going to answer a Chelsea fan. Like
okay, cool. So, all right, Vladimir, tell me the question. I'll ask him again.
Yeah.
I asked him earlier. I asked him earlier who's winning the league. He said Liverpool.
Yeah, he never answered that when I asked him earlier. Fuad, who's winning the league this season?
Prime, you got to understand something. To get to me,
no, Fuad, who's winning the league this season?
You got to go to the.
Fuad, who's winning the league this season?
Arsenal,
yeah.
You said Liverpool earlier.
4 hours, 50 minutes, 10 seconds. Arsenal will win the league. Fuad's words. Put him on a thumbnail when it don't happen. We'll finish fourth.
This clip is irrelevant because you said
he's
Liverpool
lying
earlier.
though.
He's lying.
Yeah, of course he's lying. They all lie, bro. That's why we're infested for 6 years.
Lee, actually, ask him this question.
That's more like it.
Because he says if Arteta plays 3 DMs against Newcastle, he's Arteta out. So why are you still backing Arteta?
Because I could change my mind in 2 hours. It's up to me. It's my life.
Okay, cool.
Next question.
Cool.
I'm a grown
Next question. Yeah. So you're basically admitting you are a flip-flop, which is what Latimer said you was.
No, I just admitted I could change my mind.
You flip-flop. Yeah, you flip-flop based on personal preference in any given moment of your day.
So you are allowed to change your opinion.
You're a flip-flop.
So
with the fucking
if tomorrow morning,
I'm gonna leave you on this note today.
Hold on. How about this? This is interesting. Tomorrow morning, if Northside,
I gotta go. I'm tired now.
If tomorrow morning Northside and League both change their opinion,
it's training lying every day, isn't it?
Yo.
Tomorrow morning.
It's training not lying, bro. Imagine lying every day. Can you imagine how training that is Northside?
So he's allowed to flip flop tomorrow morning. Are Northside and League One, are they allowed to flip flop on Arteta and be Arteta fans?
I'm going to tell you now. The reason why I'm going to say something. I'm going to make a statement. All right. The reason why.
Yeah. Hey, can I say something? Hey, let me tell you something.
No. What I'm saying though, right? If you tomorrow,
what is the question like?
So if I decide that I'm Arteta in tomorrow, you're not going to cook me, no?
Yeah.
Bro, I will buy you a Blue Peter badge.
I've already got one.
I'll buy you another one.
Well, you don't need to buy me nothing. I've already got one. I earned it.
You know what I'll do? I'll get a signed top.
I don't need nothing given to me because I earn my shit. Yeah, we don't get given shit over here.
When I'm in Saudi next, I'll go to Riyad Mahrez. I say, Riyad, sign this for Ligue 1 and I'll send it to you.
Don't worry, I can get that anyway. One of my best mates is mates with Ivan Tony, bruv.
Riyad Mahrez, I could get it.
Yeah, I can get that anyway. One of my best friends went to school with Ivan Tony. I can get that anyway.
Wait, hold on. So you don't care about Chelsea because we're shit. Why do you care about Riyad Mahrez? He played for City. City or shit.
No. Man City, he's one of my peoples, bro.
Actually, Man City are shitter than Chelsea. They have one less Champions League than I do. They're shitter than Chelsea. They're worse than us. Why do you care about
Chelsea? I told you.
Man City didn't win a trophy last year. Chelsea won 2.
I'm not going to change my opinion.
Why do you care about Man City?
I know
you are going to change your opinion based on what hour it is. Your words.
I'm not going to sit you. I told you, Chelsea are relevant.
Yes,
the cows come out. I'm not going to tell.
Not the cows, the sheep. You live in Wales.
Anyway, Lee, I'm going to leave you on this note.
Following Arteta, man. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, listen.
That's why he came with the press conference background, didn't he? Yeah, because he's never answered the fucking question directly. Yeah.
All I'm going to tell you is this.
Fuad Starmer, bro. Fuad Starmer.
All I'm going to tell you is this. The reason being is why I'm like this, because you've got great positive fans like Lee Gunner and Northside who makes you support the team.
Yep.
That's how I am.
If you had 1 million fans like us, mate, yeah, we'd be fucking Real Madrid.
And if you had 1 million fans like you and Glowcard, I think the stadium would be empty. I gotta go.
No, it wouldn't. It would be full of people that actually support the club, and call them out like Real Madrid fans do.
It's always a pleasure catching up with you anyway, Lee.
Fred, I love you, but you're mad deluded.